Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic oregano oil. First, you'll need fresh, organic oregano leaves, which are essential for a potent oil. Next, choose a good carrier oil like organic olive oil. It's a popular choice for its stability. Remember to sterilize all your jars and utensils thoroughly to prevent any contamination and ensure your homemade oil stays fresh. This preparation is key for a high-quality product. Now, let's prepare the oregano. If using fresh leaves, strip them from the stems and chop them finely, or crush them with a mortar and pestle to help release their beneficial oils. Place the prepared oregano into a clean glass jar. Then, pour your chosen carrier oil over the oregano, ensuring all the plant material is completely submerged. This step is crucial for a proper infusion. There are two main ways to infuse your oregano oil. For a quicker method, you can gently heat the jar in a double boiler for about 15 minutes, ensuring the water does not boil vigorously. Alternatively, for a cold infusion, simply seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature for 2 to 4 weeks. Regardless of the method, shake the jar daily to ensure even infusion and optimal extraction of compounds. Once your oil has infused, strain it thoroughly through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove all the oregano pieces. This helps extend the oil's shelf life. Transfer the strained oil into dark glass bottles to protect it from light, then store it in a cool, dark place. It can last for several months, or even up to 2 years if refrigerated. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a fantastic book about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.